Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be repairing these two HP Slim desktops. Now, one of them, as you can see, is in pretty rough shape with all of the paint sprayed on it, while the other one down here, actually pretty nice looking. So we're gonna do the HP ProDesk, as it says here, first, because the other one I've already tested and it cannot boot into a Windows 10 USB setup disk or USB drive. So I haven't actually tested this HP here, so that's what I'm gonna start off with first. So get the cables here. Now, so I'm going to unplug all the cables and just going to slide the computer over here to the left or the right. So, plug in the sound first because speakers are a little bit annoying. So, plug the mouse in, and then the keyboard, the video connector. So, then finally the power, and I hope this doesn't blow up, and it doesn't. So, get my keyboard and mouse here. And let's turn on the monitor. There we go. And computer doesn't seem to be working, which is odd. Yeah, no power. Let's take a quick look inside. Maybe I missed something. I mean, everything looks okay. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see if I can. But that's not going to help. So not a great start. I mean, this power cable is working. It's working on this computer down here. Yeah, it's working. But don't know why the computer's not working. So let's unplug the cables and diagnose the computer. Oh wait, there's a switch on the motherboard. So there is a yellow switch on the motherboard right here. So I'm going to plug in the power cable. And that doesn't help. So let's start disassembling. It's pretty simple to do. Check the optical drive. So the power switch is hardwired to the motherboard here. So power supply. Okay, now I just need to find a way to get this piece out. Okay. Oh, it it has an SSD inside, which is a surprise. I mean, it's a newer computer. So, okay, so that means I didn't need that SSD I was going to put in here. Well, it doesn't work, so now I'm starting to suspect that the power supply died in this computer. Now, I have the one from this other computer, not 100% sure if it's compatible or not. So, let me get this computer open so I can check. So, power supply looks to be the exact same. So, just going to remove the front cover on this computer here. And, okay. Unplug some cables here. So, just move the computer up here so that you guys can see after I unscrew the power button. Okay, so let me move this computer out of the way. This is it. So there are screws holding the front panel in place. So here is my iFixit screwdriver set. Gonna get a screwdriver here that is compatible. So there are a total of 3 screws holding this in. So that's number 2. Unplug the hard drive here. So this computer is a much lower end system because it uses a SATA hard drive instead of an NVMe drive, I think. Yeah, you see this, it doesn't look great, but this computer does work. Trust me, it doesn't look great, but it's 100% functional in a way. So maybe not gonna fix this computer today, but I'm gonna fix it in another video. Yeah, it doesn't look great. It actually looks pretty terrible, but this power supply looks to be compatible. So the power supply looks terrible. There are like some insects like down here that I rinsed out with the hose after I took the components out of the computer, and I just noticed that no, the power supplies are compatible. Okay, yes they are, just by the looks of it. Okay, got another power cable here. So I think they're the same power supply, but the plugs on the board are a little bit different. Like you see, this here is over here. On this here, it's right there, like this 4-pin thing. Otherwise, it's the same. So yeah, the computers look similar, but they're definitely not. So, and pull up on this, and now my cat is here. So unplug it and unroute the cables as well. Okay, now there's some screws on the back here, so I can unscrew those. unscrew this. Okay, so power supply's unscrewed, just gotta unlatch it, and you can see how bad it looks, but surprisingly it works. I didn't expect this computer to work. I thought it was just gonna blow up, but, well, it did it, which I was pretty surprised about. It didn't work the first time, but it worked the second time I tried it, so I actually just want to see here how much RAM this computer here has, and has 8 gigabytes. Okay, it's good. At least it's not 4. So I guess I'm just gonna be fixing this one today. So testing 2 computers, or like actually, I'll just say it later. But okay, gotta unhook this power supply. And these cables look similar enough. So flip it over or move it. So this SSD I want to see here. This is a 256 gigabyte SSD. Pretty nice. Okay, this power supply is out, and now it's time to put this one in. If this computer works, this is gonna be crazy. Okay, let's screw in. Oh, I forgot to change the camera angle. Okay. Okay, that's not helping. Okay. So, okay, this screw goes here. Okay, so far so good. Let's plug in power. So that fits. That fits. Yeah, looks like these are both okay. Looks like these are both the same power supplies that they use. Oh. Okay. And okay. Okay, where does this go? Okay, it goes in that way. Okay, so this is good. So I think it's about time I partially put this back together. And okay. Okay, that looks good. Optical drive. Plug in the optical drive. Now that is for the hard drive. That will not be installed in here because it already has one. power for the DVD-ROM drive. Reorganize the cables, okay, reroute them. So I think this is back together just enough for testing. So put this front cover on here so that okay, so there it is. Power supplies I think are the same. So this is what is this? Where's the model number? I can't see a model number. I think I'm just blind because there definitely is one on here. I think I'm looking. Where is it? Okay. Okay, the power supplies look different. Oh, so that one has a model number right on there. So it's in Chinese, but I can't seem to find one on here. It just looks like HP without model number. Okay, so output is 12.1 volts. This one is a output. Okay, well they output and input. They output the same thing. So I'm just gonna try it. So let me just hook it up here. And hope everything goes well. Okay. Speakers are annoying. These definitely are not the best quality speakers. Well, at least they work as speakers. Never had speakers down here before. So, there we go. It's plugged in. And there we go. Looks like it's just a dead power supply. So, it's on. No smoke. No video. Okay. So this computer turns on, but turns on for a little while and then just shuts off. Something. So let me search up this computer. So I've got this random computer here that I have. So one loud beep. One loud short beep. HP Pro Desk Computer. One loud short beep. So it's staying on now. So okay. Okay. Okay, that ejects. Okay. Let's try again. So it beeped that one time, and that was it. See the keyboard. The keyboard's responding. There's nothing coming up on the monitor. Yeah, it says no signal. I mean, what could possibly be wrong with it? I mean, something could be wrong. It looks fine. Is it just not compatible with this monitor? Okay. Yes, there's hard drive activity, which means I think there's a problem. I don't think the monitor is compatible. I have a DVI monitor. Let me go get that. So I've gotten my DisplayPort monitor, not DVI monitor. I keep mixing up the two. But I have it. It's over here. And I have my DisplayPort cable that I'm gonna hook up to it. And okay. Okay. Now lastly, it's a power cable. Route the cable and plug it in. Oh, it's bent up the power cable. Okay. And it's on. Let's plug in the computer. Okay. Okay. And okay. Just having some trouble posting here. And whoa. Okay, it works. It outputs to a monitor. And it just shut off. Okay, now it's turning back on. Okay, relief. And okay, so that was the beep from before. And it's okay. So, computer works. I'm so happy that it works. So yeah, dead power supply in worse condition, then it works, which is good. And oh, why am I using this mouse? Okay. And let me try to log on as administrator. Oh. Okay. Administrator. Okay, so this computer here. Oh, let me plug in my wireless mouse. So just do that real quick. Okay. Plug in the wireless mouse, and alright. So let's try and reset Windows here. So it looks like I'm going to be fixing this computer today. And turn it off. I'm going to try HP Recovery. But this looks like this was owned by some sort of organization due to the, based on the sticker here, Desktop 3. So let's try F11 Recovery. And that doesn't work. Okay. Let's try the password. Okay, that's obviously not the password. Shut down. Let's do escape for come on. Okay, let's restart. Let's restart. Let's try and boot into the BIOS. No. So, let's restart and try F11 again. Okay. Excuse me. No, it's too fast. Doesn't give me time to do whatever it's called. Let's just try normal Windows recovery. Okay. Let's troubleshoot. Let's reset it. Let's reset. Remove everything. Okay. So, just got a really nice looking computer with 8 gigabytes of RAM that can be upgraded. This other computer here, it works, but it's really low end. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's definitely not worth repairing in 2023, 2024. But, I mean, to me, it's just a computer, so, I mean, it works. So, might as well try to fix it. So, just want to show you guys a future project of mine for 2024. I have this nice looking 2017 MacBook Pro here. And it works great, but the battery is garbage. So the screen is also not good. It works fine, but the rubber seal around here is like melting. Not sure. See if I can get a little bit on my hand. Yeah, I just got that off of the screen. So the screen needs replacing because, well, the rubber thing is disintegrating literally and melting from the sides. I wish I could have kept the screen, but in order to make it perfect, it will have to be replaced. So it's just a preview from one of my future videos for 2024. You can see it doesn't look bad, but definitely needs some little maintenance things to be done. So let's reset it. So it's resetting, and I'll be back once it's done resetting, because, well, waiting here and doing a time lapse is not worth it for me. So it's just resetting, you know, that's all it's doing. So no one really needs to see this process. So I'll see you guys when it's finished. Okay, so Windows has finished resetting, and here we are at the setup. So looks to be working great. So okay, except I gotta let my cat into my room, and he's gone. Okay, well, that's great. So let's type my name, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just put all of them 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, decline, and then disable all of this. Okay. Okay. So, looks setup went well without any trouble. I think it's about time I can put this cover back on. So okay, it's back together. All right, computer looks good. So I think it's about time I give this computer a good clean, because I've never cleaned it before. So got paper towel and isopropyl alcohol. Just wipe down top here, the sides. Okay. Okay, and let's get a little toothbrush to clean off the front. Okay, so that side's done. Just gotta go refill my isopropyl alcohol bottle. Okay, and I'm back. So I'm gonna put the computer on its side, spray down the bottom. So this computer looks to be in working order. So let's go to Device Manager and take a look at what hardware we have. So Intel graphics. Okay. Processors. We have, okay, that's fine. So, yeah. So it's just a normal computer. It's fast because it has this. It has an NVMe SSD. I think that's an NVMe SSD. But yeah, it looks to be in working order. So, I made two computers into one good computer, and yeah, it looks great. If I press the power button, will it shut down? Okay, yeah, it shuts it down. So, yeah, working computer, fast. I'm gonna upgrade it with 16 gigabytes of RAM later, just to speed it up. So, let's finish cleaning. Gotta clean the back. And okay, this computer is in great working order now, and it's clean. Just gonna get some extra stuff. Okay, so that's gonna be about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and follow my Twitter at ufelix5, and I'll see you guys in the next one.